Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington, Jr., CEO of Harrington Group International. In about 3 minutes, we'll explore how a quality management software like HGI's HQMS transforms customer service by ensuring consistency, boosting satisfaction, and driving efficiency. But before we dive in today, please be sure to click that subscribe button on our channel and hit like on all our videos you watch, as this helps us add more content. Now on with the show. A QMS helps deliver consistent customer service by standardizing processes across departments. HQMS's document control module ensures customer-facing teams use uniform procedures, reducing variability and errors. This creates reliable, predictable experiences that customers trust. Customer satisfaction soars with HQMS's focus on quality. By embedding continuous improvement, it ensures high-quality interactions, fostering loyalty. For example, streamlined complaint handling through HQMS's Kappa module resolves issues quickly, keeping customers happy. Data-driven insights are key. HQMS collects and analyzes customer interaction data using dashboards and reports like Pareto charts to pinpoint improvement areas. This enables targeted fixes, refining processes for better service outcomes. Operational efficiency improves as HQMS automates workflows, cutting response times and costs. Integration with ERP systems eliminates manual tasks, boosting productivity so teams can focus on delivering exceptional service. HQMS's training management module identifies skill gaps, offering tailored training to enhance employee performance. Empowered employees are more engaged, improving service quality and retention, which directly impacts customer experiences. Risk mitigation is critical. HQMS ensures compliance with quality standards, reducing risks like service failures or regulatory issues. Its audit-ready documentation protects against costly setbacks. Finally, HQMS provides a competitive edge. By delivering superior customer service experiences, companies stand out, attracting and retaining customers in crowded markets. HQMS's cloud-based, scalable platform drives these benefits, making it ideal for industries like manufacturing or healthcare. Ready to elevate your customer service? Visit harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000 for a demo. Thank you for watching.